Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grenby County in northeast Illinois, southwestern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, eastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois until 9:30 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Naplate to Grand Ridge to Streeter and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Marseilles around 9 o'clock p.m. Seneca around 9:05 p.m. Serena and Sheridan around 9:10 p.m. Newark around 9:20 p.m. Plano around 9:25 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Millington and Lisbon.